Let's get this started. Awesome. So, welcome everyone. It's a pleasure to have you all here. Thanks so much for joining us. This is going to be the last webinar for this year. It has been really awesome for us. We actually just started doing our webinars this year, so it has been a great accomplishment for all of us. And of course, Alip, thanks so much for always putting everything to each of the webinars that we've had. So yeah, let me go ahead and start with sharing my screen, and then I'll just talk a little bit about what we're going to be doing and what is this webinar. So first of all, my name is Maria. I am the COO at UniDoc. We'll be just presenting this webinar together with Alip, who is one of our best stack developers here at UniDoc. And we're going to talk about mastering airplane ticket creation using UniDoc. So again, it's going to be me and Alip. I'm going to talk a little bit about who we are, what we do, the different options that we offer, and how you guys can get, through like a testing if you need to. And I'll explain a little bit more about that later on. But Alip will show you all the technical side. He's the expert. So he's going to be talking a little bit about, how to use the templates, like how it works and all of that. We don't usually do any demonstration on our webinars because it's too much. And we'll have to be doing some testing and all of that. So we quickly go through how it could be set up, like the templates that we use, and, a few things here and there that can help you give you an idea of how we work. So let's get started just talking a little bit about who we are. So UniDoc started its commercial operations back in 2016. And we launched as an AGPL open source software, but then became into a software office in Go. And we launched our first product as UniPDF and UniOffice in 2017. So after that, we just became one of the top libraries in PDF and Office in Go. So here are the founders. These are two great brothers who have give us the chance to put all of this together, and we have been able to build a really good strong company. So Gus and Hall are founders, and they are always behind everything as well, all the decisions. And we are pretty much based in Iceland, so they always try to be on top of everything. Now, I'm going to talk about the different type of things we offer, the subscriptions that we have, and like the products that we have. So UniPDF is one of our packages. So this is a library package in Go, and it helps you manage PDF documentation that includes, but it's not limited to, reporting, PDF editing, digital signing, text extractions, and many other things you can do with it. Same thing with UniOffice, pretty much is the library package, but this one supports obviously Office document management. So this includes, and again, it's not limited to document conversions, document property modifications, filling out forms, and creating presentations. And so also working with Excel sheets and many more things that you can do with it. Now, we usually like to, always offer this package that pretty much combine both of the packages, UniPDF and UniOffice. Usually this is the best option when you have a very big document need that would include these two sources. And obviously we give you this option at a very affordable price if the case is that you need both of them. Now, why UniPDF? Now, the reason why we offer this is because the performance, it's built using pure Go language. So this also helps like create template template features an XML like language to process these templates. So on this example, the template provided provide a new way of building PDF files using the components available in the UniPDF Creator package. This aim of templates is to make creating complex layouts a lot easier, faster, and by writing less code. If no new data is required, pretty much the template files can be modified without the need to rebuild the application. So the requirements that we're going to use for the webinar demonstration are the following. In case you guys want to replicate or you want to test out the product. First, Go programming language installed. We recommend you to use at least the minimum Go v1.18, version 1.18. Then it's optional that you get installed. The other thing is that you need a UniDoc Office license or a UniCloud API key. Now you can get this with the subscription, or we also have a PayGo subscription that will allow you to test this out. And then after we finish with the webinar, I'll just give you a little bit of some more context on this. And then we're going to show you, then the other thing it requires is the airplane ticket design. So this is the design. This is only, the design of the document, but now Alip is going to go ahead and talk about the templates.
Yeah, thank you, Maria. So as I mentioned, the template is provide a new way of building a PDF file using component available there inside our UniPDF Creator package. And the template use an XML-based markup language, and they are parsed and translated into our creator component at the runtime by the internal template processor. So the template have two processing phase. First, they are execute as text template inside the native Golang, and it will allow us and having an action to be executed and data to be injected there. And the second process phase takes the output of the first and parse it into our component, and then it will be rendered. And component are split into data and container component. Data and component produce some form of component like text, image, geometric shape, and then the container component hold or group other component like table, list, something like that. And yeah, of course the aim or goal of the template feature is to make the create complex layout a lot easier, faster, and yeah, by writing less code. And yeah, and the data can be modified without need to rebuild the application. And yeah, moving on to next slide. So yeah, here's the complete code for creating the airplane ticket. And this example can be seen at our example repository inside our GitHub. Yeah, if you see there is our complete repository for the template example. There is a various example there. And yeah, going back to our slide. So yeah, basically you can clone all our example by using git clone. You can use the SSR or HTTPS mode as in this slide. So, and then you just navigate to templates directory, and then you will see how to use the templates and its documentation. And for this airplane ticket example, you can just to navigate to airplane test ticket directory, and after you clone it, you can just going into directory for airplane ticket, and then moving on to next slide. Yeah, here inside the airplane directory, the structure will be like this. You can see there is a templates directory, and then there is a res directory, which is hold the static file, and it will be used on the template later on. And then you will see the mine.tpl file, and then there is a go file, which is pdf airplane ticket.go, and that is our main function. It will call the mine.tpl file, and then the ticket.json, read it, and then supply the data from the ticket.json to the mine template file. And after that, UniPDF will process it and give the output of PDF file. And yeah, moving on to next slide. So here the complete source code for the mine Go file. So yeah, this is the complete code for the main function. So you can see there is an init function, which is requirement to run our library. It requires the license. It can be offline license or our Unicloud API key. And yeah, inside the main function, we init the creator, then setting the page margin, then we read the mine.tpl file there. We read the ticket.json file, and we also create the QR code for the ticket. And yeah, we setting up and supply those data to the templates. And yeah, we draw the template and then write the PDF file. So yeah, basically you can just copy all our example and then run it by go run and then pdf underscore iprint underscore ticket.go file. And if you after you run the command, you will get the output of pdf file. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Sorry, everyone. Awesome. So, well, we move to the questions. If you guys have any questions, we have Alip here to help us out, and also Roman is a power project manager. He's actually here, so they both can answer any of your questions if you guys have any. Um, so, uh, yeah, we'll see any questions here. I don't think anyone have any questions. Okay. Well, we are going to be sending and sharing this presentation. Also, you guys are going to have a chance to use um, the presentation to go check our templates, and if anything, we are open to help file, you can send us an email to support@unidoc.io. We do offer the chance for you to test out our product with a trial offer. So if you work for in a small business or an enterprise company, you can request your subscription. So thanks everyone. Thanks Ali for joining. And thanks for your time and happy holidays to everyone.
Yeah, thank
Bye.
you. Bye.